The EVLA's Baby Food Maker. This listing presents a touchscreen, all-in-one steamer, blender, processor with reusable food pouches in a box. Handy little storage details. The product page frames it as a register-ready appliance and touts quick prep times, a one-step steam then blend process, and an included pouch kit so you can portion and feed on the go. The product emphasizes safety, BPA-free materials, and time-saving features like auto-timer cooking and an easy clean-up cycle. Perfect for new parents who want to get nutritious food on the table fast. As usual, live price varies by seller. Check the link in the description for the current price. We share buy links in description box. Watching how people talk about this machine in real reviews. The wins are its practicality and the included storage pouches. Parents love fewer accessories to buy separately. People report that steaming locks in flavor and that the presets make feeding schedules predictable. That's big when you only have 10 to 20 minutes between chores. Negative notes often revolve around capacity for batch cooking. It's aimed at small to medium batches, and a handful of reviewers mention the need to understand which preset works best for different foods. Rice versus potato versus apple. Textures differ. On the safety front, the description states it's made from tritan and other non-toxic materials, which is reassuring.